Hello everyone, in this video I am going to demonstrate exploratory data analysis and data preprocessing using the Toyota dataset. First we are going to analyze about the rows and columns. First I check the shape of the data sheet. Rows represent the observation and columns represent the feature. That's why we use gt.def shape. Then only we can see the rows and columns effectively. For next category and numerical, we separate categorical columns and category numerical columns of a analyzing technique. And third, we are going to see about the min, max, and mean. It is a statistical summary to understand distributed range. Then we are going to see about the phi summary, where we are going to see about the mean, 35, 50, and 35 max. Because this is the phi means of summary, then we are going for plot of edge, and for outlier using an IQ. It's a robust for skewed data. These are extreme values beyond the normal range. That's what we use for IQ. And Z-score measures how far a value is from standard deviation. Then we are going for correlation, separation between the variable and the matrix of age and prices for a greater relationship. Then we have separated for age and price and age, the difference minimum and the quadrant tax and weight. For a better relationship, if we have been the better relationship, then we go for the skewness. And skewness tells whether the data is systematic or not. Sorry, symmetric. Then we go for a bar count plot where how much of user and the previous efficiency or then for a span plot, span and wider plot shows the and density of the relationship between the data set. The agent price scatter plot between the relationship of two variables. The block plot of compare distribution across categories, and then the cross-tab frequency relationship, and this pair plot shows multiple layer of relationships in the same data set. And for the preprocessing, the missing value of affect model performance, and this is for imputation, where whether the data is separated or not. It's the main imputation. Missing values are less than 10%. I replace it with the mean. The mean value will be repeated after this. After that, the initial step and rock column of final step because of the less than we change the mean. The nearest integration and the score how much of values are decreased after the 10% values. Here the percentage of duplicate is 0.0%. The duplicate rows after duplicate is also 50%. The duplicates are of price age uh, manufacturing month and field stock, and that's all. Then the relationship between pattern and cost and pattern in mass of one for a categorical data column the moment that's what I have seen. And the original results they will include. First we have done before the 10% of removal. After this percentage of removal is changes between that. Then the final score of this data set are being shown. Thank you.